Hi guys, so today we are back comparing two more men's wallets. This is from Urban Forest and there is the other one which is from Red Tape. So let's go ahead to check out what they look like one by one. Now this is black textured, leather finish, black texture, and there is the Urban Forest logo, which is a metallic logo here. There's a thread work which outlines the whole of, and which is it gives a nice contrast to it because this is slightly red or orangish in color, which contrasts with the black. Then you see two flaps which are for keeping the notes. You see one pocket which is for the coins. There are the three card holders, and this has a flap design to it. You will find there is a transparent or a see-through for the ID cards, and again three card holders. You would see there are two more flaps which are quite standard in almost all the purses, and this is what it looks like. A nice one, I think, more professional looking, and gives a nice feel to it. Another interesting thing is that you would see the thread work, which is, I think now I see that's more of a tan brown that matches with the brown interiors. So there the exterior happens to be black and the interiors are brown. Now if you go to the other one, which is from Red Tape, this has a nice logo here, which is again metallic, though this is protruding out. This is kind of engraved inside. This is a dark brown shade and has those stripes which move across and which gives it a nice design. If we go inside, we'll see again the coin pockets. This is RFID safe. This is clearly mentioned here. It is RFID safe. This is genuine leather, and you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think 4 slots, credit card slots. There are this standard slots for keeping something else. You have 2 pockets where you can keep the notes. So this is how it looks like, and nice feel to it. This has got a good texture. This one is also nice, but this has, I guess, is in its own, this gives a different feel. Some people might like this as well, but this one has a nice design, a different pattern, and more dark brownish shade to it. So this is it. You can compare both of them. Thank you.